everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is currently 9:45 a.m. and I am just sort of getting through what I need to get through. It's been a little bit of a slower start this morning. Woke up feeling really tired even though I slept really well. Just one of those days, you guys know how it goes. I'm not gonna lie, Halloweekend kicked my butt. I am exhausted. It has been so busy, so many parties. I'm so tired. But I got a really good amount of sleep last night and the night before. Is that true? No, that's not true. That's not true at all. I got a really good amount of sleep last night and 2 nights before that. So hopefully that will sort of combine with Friday and Sunday night sleep not being as good. We're gonna see. Definitely gonna be one of those days where I will probably be going back for another chai at some point, or maybe something else. I don't know, we'll see. But it is a very gray day here in Santa Monica. Not very nice out, so really I just wanna get through my work, and I have caught the bug again, the Sims bug. I am really wanting to play some Sims, so I want to get back into that. By the way, people ask all the time if I'm still gonna do the Sims thing. Yes, I do want to say yes. I am going to do it. I'm going to start up again in the new year. That is my current plan. I'm sorry that I've put it off for so long, but there were all sorts of technical issues and it really just harshed my mellow, if you know what I'm saying. So I do want to get back into that in the new year. But for now, I am just playing for fun, having a blast. I just built this whole farm, which was really fun, and it took me a really long time to build it, so I literally just got started actually playing it yesterday. So anyway, I don't know why I'm telling you about my Sims right now. Let me go ahead and dive into some editing right now. Molly cat, you enjoying watching the garden today and every day? Don't I know it? And it's actually clearing up now. Not so gray anymore. 1:08 p.m. Let's get lunch. Lunchtime. Last night, Connor and I actually made some homemade tomato soup for the first time ever, and it was so good. I'm a huge fan, so I definitely want to go back for more of that. And I was gonna do a salad wrap with that, but now I'm thinking maybe just a salad and do like soup and salad. But the wrap would be really good. Okay, never mind, we're gonna do the wrap. It just was so good the other day when I made it, so has to be done. These are for sure secret weapon, best part of the wrap, a must have. And this stuff tastes so good. It does not taste vegan at all. I'm not vegan, as you guys know. I still eat chicken and I still think that this is delicious and really resembles chicken. And the spicy ones, you know who turned me on to these is Jen M. No surprise, she turns me on to everything because she's so cool. Just gonna chop everything. I'm starting with my lettuce, the base of my wrap here. Okay, that seems good. I'm gonna do a little bit of cucumber. The nice part about wraps is you don't have to use a lot of ingredients because you can't fit that much. I mean, you can use a lot of ingredients, but not a lot of each ingredient. And then for the soup, I'm just gonna throw it in my blend jet here. That way, let me make sure it's charged. Does that mean it's not? Or does that mean there's something in there? I don't wanna put all this in here and then have it not work. Just try not to make a huge fucking mess here. Molly, you're freaking me out, girlfriend. Okay, I start with the base of sauce here. Just a bit of sriracha ranch. Grab this, spread her out. And then the best way to slice this to keep the breading on is just one clean cut, straight down, apply pressure. It should go right through. If you try to like cut it like this too much, the breading sometimes falls off. All right, layer her right down, toppings. Now here comes my secret ingredients, not so secret ingredients that go into my salad wraps. We have everything on here. Next up, croutons, you guys. Olive Garden croutons. They had such a nice crunch. It's so good. Next, of course, Olive Garden dressing. The best dressing in the whole world. I'm obsessed with it. Yum. Sorry, my camera randomly died, but only one step left, and that is a little bit of sriracha for some heat. Isn't she a beaut? I love her. Now the real question is the blender charged enough? Here we go, everyone. Fingers crossed. No. We're not gonna blend this at all because I don't feel like pulling out the giant blender for just one small portion, so we're just microwaving it and moving on. Oh my god. Okay, literally that's not what I'm trying to do. Please let me take the lid off of this. Literally it will let me take this off. Okay. Wasn't expecting that. Literally disgusting. This is so disgusting. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's all under here. I literally just spilled half the thing of tomato soup everywhere.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, is there anything I can do to help?
No.
Okay.
At least the wrap is good. Well, it is 4:09 p.m. and we are approaching the end of my to-do list, which feels so lovely. I can't even tell you. I've cooled down a little from that lunch incident, which was not fun. I can't believe that happened. Anyway, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself to is a Smartie. Hitting the spot. Anyway, I'm just finishing up a few last minute things here, but overall, we are almost done, which means relaxation is not too far away. But guys, I'm coming in here with some sort of bad news. I'm sorry to say. I know this sucks because you guys were really looking forward to it, but Tara and I have decided that we are holding our truth or drink until Vlogmas. So next month, it's not that far away or anything. I know you guys, are really excited about it. I'm so excited too to share it with you guys, but it just sort of worked out with our schedules that would be best. And on top of that, one, we're always looking for ways to make Vlogmas a little easier. So the fact that one day of Vlogmas is already done, checked off our list, feels really good. And two, we were just thinking about different ways that we can be involved in each other's Vlogmas from afar, because, back in the day before somebody left me here in the United States by myself, Tara and I would do so many fun things for Vlogmas together, and it was just the best. Creating content together is just like, it makes my life so much easier. It makes each other's lives so much easier just having each other to do stuff with. So we want to come up with a couple ideas of some different like virtual Vlogmas things we can do from afar, but regardless, I really want to, save that for Vlogmas. That way there is at least one video of us together for Vlogmas. I know it sucks. I am so sorry that it worked out this way. It sucks, but I hope you guys don't mind. I hope you're not too disappointed, and it's not like the video's getting scratched or anything. You're just gonna have to wait a little bit longer for it, just a little. Anyway, I'm going to finish up. I just want to make sure that my email is totally cleared out and that I'm not forgetting anything. I just want to like go through some stuff, and then I think we'll be able to wrap up here in maybe like 15 minutes, a 4:30 end to the day. I can't complain. Work is done and I'm just about to dive into some Sims like I said I would, but I thought I would maybe show you guys my farm really quickly because I'm really proud of it. As I said, it took me a really long time to build this, like legit took me weeks and weeks because I am not a very fast builder, but I'm really proud of how this turned out. So this is the little farm that I built for my girl. There it is. It's gone through a lot of changes. Let's see if I can do this with like one hand successfully. So this is sort of the main house here. You come up these stairs. She has her little truck here. Not that cars work in The Sims, but that's okay. And you can come up and into her house here, or you can also go across this bridge here that I put in over this cute little pond. We have lots of like ducks and swans and stuff in there. We also have this big wheel. I don't know, what is this called? What are you? Oh, right, I don't have better build buy-in because of the update. All right, never mind, just a wheel, whatever. And it is fall right now, so things don't look as pretty as they used to, but then The house is really nothing all that special. Pretty small inside, just like little living room, kitchen area, bedroom, bathroom. My sim is a loner, so she really just likes to hang out with her animals on her farm, which I am loving. Behind her house here, we have an orchard with a bunch of different kinds of trees there. Over this way, we have this big like addition. I sort of imagine that she added this on later, so it's slightly more modern, but still keeps with like a little farmhouse vibe in it. So it's only one story, but it goes up really high, which I thought was really pretty. And this is sort of like her creative space. So like this is where she comes to paint. There's like a little fireplace in there. There's knitting stuff, the chess table. Like this is just sort of skill building vibes in here, plus one little bathroom there. And then out the back here, we have our animals. We have Bessie the cow who lives in there, and then we have a ton of chickens who are all like total assholes, let's be honest. But we did just have our first little chick. She's so cute. And then back over this way is where we actually grow all of our produce that we sell, which is really cute. And then if you head this way, this is supposed to be like a little greenhouse vibe. As you can see, it's just full glass in there, and in there we grow flowers, and we also have fabrication station and a floral arrangement station, which I thought sort of made sense, and she grows flowers inside of there. Very cute. And then lastly, just over this way, we sort of have some random stuff. We used to have a cow plant, but he died. RIP. Sorry, sir. And he was more trouble than he was worth, so we're not getting a new one. We're just leaving a little memorial for him there. But we have beekeeping, as well as this is some sort of like bug situation. I don't know exactly what it's called, but we have beetles in there. Anyway, there you go. That's my farm. I worked so hard on this, you guys, I can't even tell you. And this is my sim. Her name is Maya Harper, I believe. Is that your name? Mila. Sorry, Mila Harper. She's in her pajamas right now, which is why she looks like that. But she's super cute and just loves to hang out with her animals. So let's go do some farming. I'm so sorry, guys, but somehow I filmed nothing of our dinner. But you're in luck because I'm making one more taco, so you'll get to see it. We just made tuna steak tacos, and they are so good. All the fixins, and I'm loving it. All right, check out this taco. How good does she look?
And this is what all the other ones look like as well.
Yeah, it is. Oh, there we go, the light.
Perfect.
That is so good. Absolutely love it.
Yeah, it
Going
looks
to
so
eat
good.
this, and Connor is getting me into sex education right now, so we're on episode 3. We're gonna get one more in before bed. Well, it is 11 p.m. and I am officially ready for bed. I'm honestly not that tired, but I just sort of felt like getting cozy in bed and scrolling on my phone for a little while. Maybe catching up with some YouTube or TikTok or something. I don't know. We're gonna see what the mood strikes, but it was a very nice day, have to say. Did enjoy it quite a lot. Very relaxing, productive. It's always a good combo. I'm really liking sex education so far. I find it pretty funny. I really like it, so very intrigued to see where it goes next. We are 3 episodes in now, but Connor has seen the first 2.5 seasons, I think, so he's way ahead of me, but I'm really, really enjoying it. Let me know in the comments if you guys watch that. And also, it's Monday. We haven't done this in a little while. Let me know what your goal is for Monday. I would love to hear what you guys have going on this week. So anyway, hopefully you guys are having a great day. Love you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.